going to try our Myanmar food for today. So, Myanmar, Mingalaba. Mingalaba. This. And this fish. Fish?
Yes, yes.
Oh, can I have this and fish?
Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you. Okay. Parang karinderya lang, guys. Ah, lick.
Small one.
Small, thank you. Ay, parang masarap to, guys. Nga is fish in
Fish?
Myanmar.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get some vegetables?
Okay, okay.
And what about this?
Check, Lisa. This is any long.
It's okay.
Oil also? No oil.
So much.
On the top.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
And then this one little
It's
bit
okay.
fish.
It's okay.
It's okay. Bit more.
Eat more. Thank you so much. We'll sit. Nice. So nice. I'm gonna eat this. It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
So this is our spread. Ito na guys yung yung Myanmar food natin with the sauce, and we're going to try. So let's try this. Para siyang guys na adobo. But I think there is an element of some Indian spice in it. Let's try. Sarap! So good! Ang sarap nung... It's so good, guys. This is my first time trying this dish. Normally, I'll get the vegetarian one. But let's try it with the sauce. Lasang adobo, hindi, lasang adobo na may liver spread. And then, ito naman yung fish nila. Tamba ko sa ayaw mo. Ang sarap. Merong beef. Very refreshing, guys. This is my first time to try Myanmar food na hindi vegetarian. And at least I like it. I like their tea leaf salad. That's actually my favorite vegetarian dish. The tea leaf salad, basta I will let you see it next time. But this is very good. It's very flavorful. Parang sinigang. Pero hindi. Ang ganun yung feeling nyo sa fish. Full of flavors. I'm not gonna compare it to Indian food because ano talaga siya, guys, distinctly gourmet food. Look at that herb. Ayun, parang may floral touch. And I'm not even sure about this, but the fish is flavorful. I've been seeing this restaurant within my neighborhood, and this is the only chance that I had. Today is Songkran, and I'd like to support my Myanmar neighbors. So, ayan. I'd like them to feel na they're not alone. So, So yummy. Mm.